Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This determines access to the file. Once signed in, check the link sender's note or your email for any required permissions, because the wrong account can block access. Make sure you're using an up-to-date browser or the Drive app. Updates fix many link handling bugs. If two accounts are active, pick the one with access. Otherwise, request permission from the owner so you can proceed to opening the link. You click the shared link or paste it into the browser and press enter. The link resolves to a Drive file or folder. If Google asks which account to use, select the one that has permission and sign in if needed. This is why accounts matter. Once the file loads, use the top right menu to request access or open in a new tab for full controls. If the page stalls, clear cache or switch to incognito, because extensions and cached auth tokens often interfere. You now interact with the file. View content, leave comments, or edit if you have permission. Choose download or make a copy to keep a local or personal version. Once done, add it to My Drive for easier future access. If you can't open the link, request access from the owner, switch to the correct Google account, or open the link in the Drive mobile app. These steps resolve most problems. If errors persist, send a screenshot and exact error message to the owner for help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.